Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you would be fine and fit inside your homes in these days of pandemic. The pandemic pressure can be seen at every nook and corner. In Baramulla district, the lockdown has been reimposed. This is the indication that COVID-19 infection is still with its full intensity here. So in these days of pandemic, we need to be extra cautious, extra vigilant, extra careful to save ourselves from this deadly virus. Life is precious gift of God, and we need to save it, and then should give preference to the rest of the things that are related to life. Dear students, your examinations are also approaching fast. The board has issued a notification regarding your examinations that shall be taken in the month of October or November, and your syllabus has been reduced by 30%. Now you have to prepare for 70% only. But your schools are set, no physical classroom teaching is there. You have to rely on these virtual classes to prepare the things for the examinations. Dear students of class 11th subject political science, today we are dealing with very important topic, that is floor test. It's often asked in the board examinations. First of all, you need to know what's floor. Take an example of India. Here our parliament has two houses, that is Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, and all the discussions, debates, questions are going inside the house, and the space or the house or the floor used by the parliamentarians, by the ministers, by prime minister also, to ask questions, to ask questions or to participate in the debates, discussions, and the space or the floor used by the parliamentarians, ministers, prime ministers in replying to queries of the people is called simply floor. But what is the floor test? The floor test is the test in which government has to prove its majority. It is the test by which the government's majority is tested or examined. Dear students, it is well in your mind that India is a multi-party system. In multi-party system, it often happens that no party gets absolute majority to form the government. In such cases, many parties join hands to form the government, and such a government is called the coalition government. And coalition government is never a stable government. It often remains in danger of collapsing. You might have heard the collapse of Kamal Congress government in Madhya Pradesh while the Kamal Nath resigned from his post of CM before floor test. So, in between, I am telling you, floor test is the test where the majority of the government is checked. No doubt, it also goes in states because we have here double set of government. One at the center level, that is called the central government. Another at the state level, that's called this state government, because India being the federation, and in these there are two double set of government. One at the federal units, or we make it call them states, and other at the central level. In multi-party system, often it happens that no party gets absolute majority to form the government, and many parties join hands to form the governments. In sometimes the situation arises when many parties do not reach to the consensus in choosing their head, where President of India, in case of Parliament, uses his discretion in appointing the Prime Minister of India, and when he appoints Prime Minister of India, or he or she has to undergo the floor test that is well mentioned in the Constitution. So simply, the floor test means the ruling government has to prove its majority. Dear students, it is well in your mind or you have heard it that in 1999, late Atal Bihari Vajpayee remained as the Prime Minister of India only for 14 days because he failed to prove the majority. The floor test was there and he failed to prove the majority, and there was automatically dissolution or the government was dissolved. So, concluding the facts, the floor test is the test by which the majority of the ruling government is checked. According to Supreme Court rulings, floor test in a floor test you have show up your hands whether we are with the government or we are against the government. If government fails to prove its majority inside the house, the government automatically gets dissolved. But dear students, so the floor test is the test that is used to check the majority of the ruling party. If the ruling party fails to prove this test, floor test, it has to resign. The chief minister in the states has to resign, or the prime minister in the parliament has to resign. Dear students, you are new to the political science. You have now opted political science as one of the subjects. You will find difficulty in grasping the political concepts, but with the passage of time, when you will get maturity in the subject, you will understand all its terminology and you will easily grasp the concepts with the passage of time. So, I'm repeating the things. Floor is just the space or uh, we can say the house that is used by the parliamentarians, ministers, prime ministers for discussions, for answering the queries of the people, or addressing their speeches to the speaker of the Lok Sabha. This is the floor, and floor test means simply where the majority of the government is checked, whether it is in the majority or not in the majority. If it fails to prove this majority, the government automatically gets dissolved. This is enough for today. It's now 7 minutes video. But before leaving class, I'm advising you to see these things on your available political science reference books. If any sort of query or confusion strikes your mind after watching this video, you can call me on 7006671106 or WhatsApp me. Or you are even free to email me on kgm38864 at the rate of gmail.com. And when you post your query by any means, by WhatsApping, by emailing, by calling, within short duration of time, your query shall be answered, inshallah. But I'm advising you the best way is to the best way to study is to remain busy with the books. Do concentrate on self studies. Thanks. Be balanced.